Hi, I'm Scott Miller with our Screamin Eagle Performance Division. A lot of customers are happy with the Stage 1 upgrade. It offers a performance gain, a significant style improvement, and a sound improvement. Now, our higher level performance upgrades offer significant performance improvement and are catered to a specific riding style. Now today I want to talk about the Stage 2 upgrade from Milwaukee 8. I want to cover what it is, what to expect, and a general overview of the installation. Screamin Eagle has developed and spent the time on our upgrades to make sure that we cover every aspect of the installation while offering significant performance improvements. In the case of the Stage 2, at a price lower than you may expect. The Stage 2 upgrade incorporates a cam change. And in any engine, a cam is mechanically responsible for controlling the engine. So the cam drives the valves, and the valves open and allow air and fuel to enter the engine. The lobes on the cam are designed such that every degree of rotation and every amount of lift is controlling a specific range of the engine RPM. These cam characteristics are what us engine geeks refer to as valve lift, duration, and timing. Ultimately, these characteristics change how air and fuel enter and exit the engine, and can even be designed to specifically target performance levels at different RPM ranges. And this is why we offer a Stage 2 torque and a Stage 2 power upgrade from Milwaukee 8. If you're the type of rider looking for instant passing power from a cruising speed, or that acceleration right off the line, the torque kit with the Screamin Eagle 447 cam is likely a good fit for you. It targets that lower RPM performance. Now the Milwaukee 8 really comes alive at higher RPMs. If you're installing a Stage 2 and tuning it with the Pro Street Tuner, your red line or your rev limit is already increased to 6,400 RPM. Now the power cam with the Screamin Eagle 462 cam will really take advantage of that mid-range to higher RPM horsepower. Alright, so let's talk numbers. When coupled with the Screamin Eagle intake and exhaust, and properly tuned with the Pro Street Tuner, the Stage 2 upgrade delivers up to 30% horsepower improvement and up to 10% torque improvement. That's a significant performance improvement for the investment. Alright, sounds great, but how involved is this installation? That's the beauty of sticking with Screamin Eagle genuine performance upgrades from Harley-Davidson. We spend the time through development and integration testing to not only make sure the performance upgrades work well with the engine and deliver on the performance numbers, but that the installation is thought of as well. The way we fulfill that promise for our Stage 2 kits from Milwaukee 8 is that we include adjustable push rods with the kit. Now the way this works is you remove the cam cover and cam plate and the original equipment cam and push rods from the engine. Then you install the Screamin Eagle cam and the adjustable push rods, allowing you to install the cam without interrupting the top end of the engine at all. Now this keeps this in the 2-wrench installation range. By the way, performing a Stage 2 upgrade is a great time to change out your original pushrod covers for a gloss black powder-coated version to fit your style. So you can see that Stage 2 offers a significant performance improvement for the investment. And when dealer installed, your engine and your motorcycle warranty remains intact. Nobody else can say that. So you can choose to keep your Stage 2 stealth and surprise your friends when you blow by them, or you can show off your passion for performance with our subtle yet premium Screamin Eagle timer cover. Now if you have any more questions, go check out your local dealer. We hope you share our passion for performance. We'll see you on the road.